Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy webinar YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 11th of October 2020. The day is Wednesday. I welcome you here again in yet another program by Dukas Copy's trading community. You might be thinking that I'm part of Dukas Copy, not a part or employee of Dukas. I'm an independent trader, but yes, I'm part of the community. But whatever I say in this live stream has nothing to do with Dukas Copy Bank. All the views, opinions, or trading ideas that I'm going to discuss, they are of my own. We will be discussing price action here in this webinar. We will be checking the charts minutes. While checking the charts, we'll be the candlestick charts, and we'll try to observe what are the key levels for all the instruments that we see. To see how we can use those levels in our charts, or why do we need key levels on our charts? Because if we place our trades around those key levels, tend to reduce our risk a great extent, because it will not be like a heads and tails outcome for trading. We will have some formed. All right, I think in the process you know what I'm talking about. But before I start, I must tell you that this is not a trading advice. Whatever I say in this webinar is only for information or to please do not take it as a trading advice. You should do your research before you put your money on the line. Also, at the end of the session, I'll be answering the questions from the viewers. So have any questions? Ask the questions that you have in your mind. Do not go home with any doubts in mind. Okay, ask questions. So let me take you to the charts. Before that, must go through. All right, so here are your charts. First chart of the day is the US dollar index. From here, looking at the for a naked eye, it looks like as if area of 105.31 is able to provide sufficient support to the dollar, but that's not, because in the process has pierced 105.31. So once the price goes below this, how did it behave? We want to check. Did it immediately got bought back? No, it took 1 hour. It stay below that for 30 minutes. No, it didn't stay that for 50. So it was immediately bought back. That means you can say that the buyers were aggressive. The prices, to some extent, we can say that the buyers are very aggressive. Maybe because of these highs broken were never tested after that. And here, once it was a second opportunity for them to go long. But I will say that not be very happy about this buying here. This may be also profit booking by those sellers who created their position here. They may be willing to sell more once the price is higher level. So what we need to check is check the Fibonacci placement levels and the 50% discount level, that is 106.15, and 61% or 60%, 6.3. These areas should be as an opportunity short in this. Why I'm saying so, you see, we know that here the market was in an uptrend, and while this move was going down, I'll here this market was in an uptrend. Okay, it was a very good uptrend, but once the market started making lower highs and lower lows, we were not ready to sell this market above 105.31. But today the market has gone below that. That means the sellers are able to push the prices below these lows to these. Yes, we will become cautious and we'll be looking for a selling opportunity with the price rising higher. So it can this can be only less than this. What we are expecting is something like this. Why I have written something like this? Because intermediate high, this one is after the price made this smaller low and then it made high and then, but if you do not consider this movement, consider this single movement, then this high can also extend. So that's my concern. There is a possibility that you will get a double top here. So that's why I'm saying don't be very aggressive in selling right now. Okay, there is a high probability that the price will trace this level like this and then comes back. If you agree with me, please let me know in the chat box. Don't agree, then what can I? So what I'm expecting is that since the buyers are very aggressive here, they may be able to push prices back towards 107.03. But since the sellers from here are so aggressive also that they are able to push prices lower than this low, yes, they will come again to protect their area of interest, which selling opportunity they get here. They will be selling this market eye on the highs, although I will be a seller in this only below 105.3. So 107.03 is still resistance for me, and 105.31 now is still the support for me. Similar is the case for euro. Euro has gone higher than that, but you see this 1.0616 area, which only yesterday I have mentioned that this is an area of confluence of resistance. One being provided by this horizontal level of 1.016 and one being provided by this channel. If somebody is observing these two positions, he might be looking for a selling opportunity here. So whenever the price went higher, it was sold off one with this channel. Thereafter, it came down here again. But I'm not saying that we are going to be sellers in this. That's not what I'm saying. We can become sellers only once the price breaks through this rising channel. Then only we can be sure, okay, the price is going down. But if eventually the price holds here and breaks higher than 1.0616 and starts going higher than that, then maybe you can look for a buying opportunity like this maybe the first wave, then the second wave may come here and the third wave will be down. That is what we are expecting. Okay, that is what we are expecting. Right now it looks like this, but if it doesn't happen, then this can happen. So 1.0616 is a very crucial level for us to clear. Above this, we are going to buy the market. Below this, we are going to sell. But on the upside, we need a close very high, then higher than 1.0616. And for the sell, we need a close below this rising. So from supports point of view, the horizontal level of support is around 1.0448. The horizontal level of resistance is 1.0616. Okay, you can see that similar is the case of the pound. Yesterday we saw close higher than this level of 1.2271, and immediately after that close I told you that this level now will be acting as a support. The price comes to that level, this level will be acting as a support, and you can see that well. Again, if you can get an opportunity to buy in this area, you should be buying this market in this area, the high targets. But why did I not buy it yesterday? Because immediately above this is the zone of resistance, the confluence of resistance of this falling line and also this horizontal. So I'm not willing to buy this market close to this, but on the contrary, if the price goes higher than this, then we may be looking for buying this market. But right now, if you ask me, 1.2271 is the support and 1.238 is the resistance. Australian dollar, which looks bullish today. Okay, not bullish now. 0.6402 is where the price is trading right now. Before some time, it was trading around 0.640, this area. That time it looked bullish because the price has been making higher highs and higher lows. The price is moving within this channel, and we are expecting the price to find huge resistance around 0.6500. That extent, I think the price will keep going like higher highs, higher lows. But these are the two levels of interest: 0.6500 on the upside and 0.685 on the downside in the dollar. USD JPY, I'm not trading this market. Why? Because it is going nowhere. You can see red, green, red, green. Till the time the price is trading below 150.15, I'm not buying this market. Till the time the price is trading above 147.27, I'm not selling this market. Only after the price makes higher than this or lower than this, then only I will make up my decision. Just consult. USD CAD has closed below 1.39, which was a crucial support for the price. Now it may be again acting as a resistance price support downside to position, but I'm staying away because there is no clear move. So I have placed a cross here just to let you know that I'm not trading this right now because there is no clear trend. USD CHF, we talked about it that if the price comes back to 0.9016, there is a high probability that some buyers will push the prices back towards 0.9090, and that is exactly what is happening right now, at least on the 4 hour, where there's a bullish pin bar on the support area. It can extend the prices back towards 0.9090 area. I'm looking for a resistance. So if you ask me where is the support and resistance right now, 0.9016 is the support, or you can give it to now 0.9001, and the resistance being similarly at 0.9090. Well, silver, I said that we are very possible, very much possible to go towards 19.88, but since the price is going up, you should be looking for a selling opportunity close to 22.1 area. So when the price is here, you should be looking for that an opportunity. You may get too many sellers too soon here. The price can trend towards 19.88. So keep an eye on this area. Okay. Resistance is 22.21. Support is 19.88. What about gold, guys? Similar is the gold case. Gold can find a huge resistance around 1884 area. 1884 is a huge resistance, and the support is around 1804. um, I don't think there is anything else that I want to talk about. 1804, 1884, the huge resistance gold. Similar is the case for Brent. Brent has actually already met the resistance, but in case the price starts rising from here, 89.28 and 89.87 is the resistance for the Brent. The support being around 81.94 in this market. Nothing much to discuss. Talking about the Bitcoin, till yesterday, Bitcoin was going nowhere, and this is what we had expected. You see, that is exactly what is happening, but I am expecting the price to reach this channel line and then find some support here and then get rejected from here again to the upside. This is my trajectory. Let us see if the things unfold like this or not. But yes, from this price action, it looks like Bitcoin is bearish. Well, where is the resistance now? 28,550 the resistance. Where is the support? Horizontal levels I'm talking about. 24,889 may be a good support for the Bitcoin in the coming time. Guys, if you are vibing around and if you are feeling good about these levels that I have drawn, you can smash that like button. If you are finding that, oh, these levels are drawn after the price has taken place, so I'm sorry, no, these all these levels are not drawn after the price action. We draw our levels before the price strike. You can check my previous webinars, maybe then you will be able to know. We don't have any crystal ball. What we analyze the markets in a manner that we find the areas of interest from where the potential is huge for the price to reverse. Right now, 1529 for the Ethereum is the huge support. If the price doesn't find support here, then it is definitely going to 1367 level. If the price finds support here at 15, then it's fine. If it doesn't, then expect the price to reach 1367 directly, because there is no support in between. Or if the price starts rising from here, then 1750 providing a good resistance here already. Well, we had shorted it somewhere here and we got stopped out, I think. No, stop losses here. So we have take profit here. Let's see what is daily chart showing. Okay, the daily chart, we saw this big red candle, then there was a pullback, we sold it, but here today there is again buying. Anyways, 1.6651 is the resistance in this market, and support is around 1.619. We have shorted this market, seeing this big red candle. Anywhere here, the price should find resistance, come back. This is what is anticipated. Australian dollar is going very good in respect of New Zealand dollar towards 1.0559. That is the target. If the price starts going up for any reason, then it should find some resistance around 1.0718 area. Okay, AUD, my friends, this is what we are expecting. This may even extend to this level or this level, but as of now, we are expecting this level only. Something like this is expected or anticipated in the GB AUD. If you find that this is not the correct picture, you can tell whatever you think in the chat box and we discuss that later. But I am thinking that something similar is going to happen in the, well, this can even extend to this area. Like I said, that this was a previous support, maybe this will extend resistance or this will offer resistance price. In that case, this will be the picture. So whatever, but we have now resistance around 1.9285 and we have a huge support, looks like huge support around 1.9068 area, and the next level of resistance will be 1.946. Here we can expect the price to come down. If the price closes a day below 1.8856, then I'll be very bearish the GBP AUD in the just at 30 was the support. Ultimate support is actually 814, and for some reason, if price starts going up from here 3302, if it crosses 33902, then the next possible level for the price will be 35096. Eye on these levels, guys, and place your trades close to them so that you can get minimum. At CHF is going nowhere. It got rejected at 50%, but then immediately sold off. Maybe the buyers are not willing to pay attention to market at prices. Maybe at lower prices they will be buy this 0.6617 area where I'm expecting the buyers to jump in, and below 0.6617, I think price will try to fetch 53 like double top form. Potentially top, but it may extend the rise towards 1.4, which I'm expecting as here. Let's see how the things unfold, but right now it's over 542. USA Tech, we are bullish on this one, but today we can see bearish pin bar. Yesterday there was a close higher than the level that we have told about. Let's go to 1 hour and check what happened. This is what higher than price. Thereafter it is okay, only making higher highs and higher lows. If the price, I think, breaches this area, then it will be a breakdown on 1 hour, which may take the prices 14.95. But if it fails to breach 15,114, then expect the price to reach higher levels, that is around 58. But in that process, you have to go. Very interesting. Let's see. Now the price is trading very close to this support. We are expecting that 15,100. An eye on this. Okay. Or the JPY. Although we are bullish on this one, but this move here has caution around about the selling of dollar against the Japanese time, and this looks like a rising wedge form. Let's check it out. Get out what is formed here, or if this wedge breaks to the downside, I think 91 will. For that, I will need. Last is the GY. We are bullish on this one above 183. Yesterday it went to 180.10. So now the price has to go up. For that, we get a support around one. If the price finds good support around this level, 183, I mean, if it comes back and then starts going up, then I think that will be yeah, because if there is cannot be sure whether the area is active. And if that happens, right on the happen to that happens, then I think the level of 186.76. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, ask them that box that provided. Very happy. Don't have any questions like to think to me. Hello, Jumi. Have a short position. 1.2. Let's check. My opinion, you can keep your short positions for intraday, but be advised that there is I am taking slowly towards floor price level. That you are short here in the 4 hour, it is suggesting that the price is quoted. Look at this candle. Can you ignore this green candle? Ignore this green. My suggestion to you will be, you really want to go short in this market, to reach if, with this your short, if you goes to this area, you book your profit, and you can reinitiate your sell position below this level. Here is the reason. There is a high probability that the price will come back to this area, and high probability. But if you can miss this area as your profits, what you can do somewhere here, yeah, before these lows are tested, then sell again below these lows. In this case, what will happen? Your profits will be less, but you have any problem. You book it close to 1.75. That is what. Yes, the price headed south, but if you can your stop loss very close price, that will be, yeah, said that you are short around one. that is here. The stop loss should be here or here, because the on 5 minutes the price has all highs and lows and starts making higher highs and higher lows. Why you want? Okay, my opinion. Now your stop loss should be paid above 1.2, paid above 1.2. You can book 24 pips of profits and then go to sleep. Even if price doesn't go your way, out with profits. Well, that's all, guys, from my side. I hope I have helped for being precious time. That day we will see you tomorrow again at 1700 GMT, guys. If you're finding this webinars useful, like button, subscribing if you have a good day. Thank you for watching. Don't risk. Bye. Take care.